Ow. One moment, guys. Just give me a second to pull up the live chat on my phone. One moment, guys. Just pulling up the live chat. Okay. What's going on, YouTube? And shout out to all you savvy investors out there. Let's take a quick look here at Dat's chat really quickly. Now, guys, as you can see here, Dat's chat did pull the unthinkable on us today. Now, like I was telling you guys in the Discord, when this trading was going on during this time, that Dat's chat was actually building some type of pressure, whether it was buying or selling. So guys, it resulted in selling, as you can see here, briefly hitting $1.39 on the drop. We got our footing back, headed above the VWAP, and then another institutional pullout came upon us, and we're currently above the VWAP for the close. It's looking as though that we're starting to build some buying pressure towards the close, so that is a very good sign. We're holding this thing into tomorrow's trading. Shout out to all the members of the YouTube channel, guys. I do like those badges you guys have. Not only that, we have a new got my seat. John, like the custom emoji as well. Another thing, guys, we will continue to do these live streams for everyone to see. The members just get a midday live due to the fact that I do have 20K subscribers that isn't a part of our Discord, so they do need attention as well, guys. And with the memberships, the lives are much smaller, so I am able to actually get everyone ticker out and spoken about, because it's not 200-300 people in here. Because as you can see here, guys, if you drop your ticker now, it's probably all the way at the beginning of the chat. That is not the case in our membership live streams due to the fact that it's not that many people there. But seeing what's going on here in Dat's chat, checking out this order flow distribution, as you can see here, it is starting to pick back up as far as the large scale goes. Now, throughout the day, we did see that drop under the threes. It was like the high twos, guys. It was like 2.90 something. The large scale started to pick back up. That was right when this happened. It picked up on an extreme note here, and we did see the large scale outflow pick up during this time. So we know for a fact that wasn't nothing but institutions pulling out or locking in some gains. On a day like this, this is expected. Don't forget to give that thumbs up on your way in, guys. We got 77 people watching. Can you please smash that like button? Now, before we see the close, let's check out CEI, guys. I told everyone in the Discord to sell CEI right before this massive drop came on us. It's around $1.67 when I said that. Currently, CEI is trading along the VWAP, but what we're looking at here, guys, is a large-scale order outperforming the inflows. Medium is very close, with the small showing some buying pressure on it, which is the retail investor. Now, this stock is trading sideways right now, and like I'm telling you, like I told you guys earlier today, this stock is actually, when it's trading like this, guys, it is building some type of pressure. Now, we don't know if it's going to be buying or selling pressure. And another thing about CEI, guys, what happened today, much lower volume than usual. Much lower volume than usual, guys. If we look here at the day chart, guys, yesterday's volume was 961 million. The day before that, 941 million. This day was not short on volume, but it isn't as high. This day was 829 million, 216 here. So basically, the volume is getting shorter, guys, here in CEI, and I was seeing how the volume was moving in. And I instantly knew that today was going to be a south day for CEI. Take a look here at the order flow distribution again, though. The way on the 17th, we did see a lot. Well, not the 17th, the 7th, guys, which was this green day here. We see 95%. Now, the large scale orders does matter a lot here. Now, even though it wasn't a big deficit as far as the large scale go today, we do see a hit in price. Now, if we look here at the 1 minute chart for CEI, getting close to the close, guys, CEI might be showing some buying pressure here. If we look here at the beginning of the day, starting here in the pre-market, guys, we did shoot up in price like I predicted. First thing in the morning for CEI, we did shoot up. Now, as the pre-market went on, guys, we started to show signs of selling pressure. Now, right before the open, slight buying pressure came upon us, but then a huge drop in price came into play, hitting $1.43. Looking over there at that turnover rate, it is a few people selling from yesterday's game. Shout out to Master Blaster, just sent us a super chat. Master Blaster, if it's any ticker you want to talk about, just drop it in comment to Black Nicholson. Now, let's take a brief look here at Prog really quickly. Prog is seeing huge buying pressure. As you can see here, close to 60% on the gain, guys. If you're still holding Prog from my call, guys, let me know in the comment section. But Prog is looking like as though it might be closing with a key, guys. That is very huge. A very good sign that if it closed with a key, guys, that is a very good sign that we might see some aftermarket buying pressure come upon us. Let's check out the order flow distribution. Order flow distribution, we do see some buying pressure on all three levels, which is large, medium, and small here. But the big factor today was that large scale. Okay, very good to see that. Now, my prediction for Prog tomorrow is a good one. Looking over there at that turnover rate, we know a decent amount of people did sell for a gain today here in Prog. Range rate is high though. Just closed here, guys. Let's see what CEI just did. Not CEI, but DATS. Let's see what DATS should see it on the close. Okay. Here in DATS, it's kind of moving a little bit slow for us, guys. We got to let the market actually 0.36% so far, guys. Let's look over here at yeah, we're starting to see some buying pressure here in DATS chat, guys. If you're still holding DATS, let me know in the live stream comments if you're still in the play. 52 thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to drop that thumbs up on your way in. We have 94 people watching us. Let's take a look here at any stock. Any stock did see some nice buying pressure towards the end of the day, as you can see here. Trading sideways somewhat here, guys. As you can see here, this thing can be building some type of buying or selling pressure. As you can see, we do see some slight selling pressure though, guys, in the aftermarket. That isn't too much to worry about, but we do see today's high being $8.32, which was close to the close, guys. A very, very good sign for tomorrow. If we take a look here at the analysis, I see a decent amount of people that's in that chat. Yeah, Annie was on fire today. We're going to take a look at Affirm after this. Any did see large scale orders in the last 5 days, though, guys. The last 4 days, though, isn't looking so well as far as the large scale orders, but we do see buying pressure by the retail investor as well as the medium scale retail investor. As you can see here, 99.04%, well, 99.04 points. And we see a nice high small here in any stock, guys. That is incredible due to the fact that how the cryptocurrencies is trending. Now, if we take a look here at the support and resistance line, guys, as you can see here, we're starting to get close towards that resistance. Now, if we take a look here at this day chart here, and any guys, like I was telling you guys in multiple live streams, how this stock is showing a pattern, and guys, we are lifting off. Okay, so any should be seeing levels around $9 is my prediction for any stock here tomorrow. So let's take a look here at these key indicators. As you can see here, we were much above the volume today. As you can see, average being 24.32 million. Today we came in at 7 million shares being moved around back and forth. Looking over there at that turnover rate, guys, that was extremely high. Okay, 119%. I'm not too much concerned about it due to the fact that that range is in the perfect spot. Now, I'm going to look at Affirm, as you can see here, pushing nicely, guys. As you can see here, huge steps up. As you can see here, nice steps up in price. Now, I do believe this is a very good stock to be in as far as long term, guys. Nice long term stock. Looking over here at the volume that came in here today, guys, over 3 times its average. Looking at that market cap, guys, I do believe this will be at least a $50 billion market cap. Looking over there at that low turnover rate, guys. Low turnover rate with the range being slightly under it is the type of numbers you will like to see in a long-term investment stock that we see here. Don't forget to push that thumbs up, guys. We got 101 people watching currently. So many thumbs up. The thumbs down don't even have an effect on it, guys. So Got some haters in the building. Could you talk about EARGO? Got you, Scott. Scott wants to look at EARGO after we talk about firm really quickly. But looking here at firm, guys, as you can see here, right away in the pre-market, we started to see some buying pressure, guys. We opened with some buying pressure, but soon the market opened. We did see some selling. That is why I urge a lot of investors to wait at least 10 minutes to see how the market reacts to the opening share price. And as you can see here, it showed us signs of selling, hitting the day's low. Not the day's low, I'm sorry about that. The day's low was actually closer towards the end of the day. As you can see here, today's low being 133.62 cents. Niro closed at a key. Oh, I did. Hold on, we gotta check this out. Niro did close at a key. Keep your eyes out on Niro, guys. It should do very well. It should do well during the aftermarket hours, guys. 10% on that rate, the range being under it. Order flow distribution. We do see some buying pressure. All three levels. Niro is what we call easy money, guys. Easy money Niro. Yeah, I like all the numbers I see here in Niro. That volume was strange on the low side, guys. Looking there at today's volume being 594.52 thousand shares. Okay, with the average being 10.3 million. Very, very low in volume. Very, very low. Let's check out. Here we go for Scott. Shout out Scott for that super chat. It really does help. But looking at the volume that came in today, guys, it was under volume here. So we see a lot of spot trading going on. Moments where it was only 252 shares being moved around. As you can see here, we do see some buying pressure coming right out the gate, hitting today's high, $6.76. Closed. Basically closing right around the range of today's low, which isn't a good sign though. Let's take a look here at the analysis. Order flow distributions, as far as the large scales, isn't looking too good whatsoever. We do see close battles between the two. As you can see here, 78 here, 75 there, 78 here, 76 there, 48 here, 43 there. Welcome to the early seat OG. Shout out Sherry. She just became an early seat member, guys. Like I was telling you guys before, we do have a membership here for the YouTube where you will get exclusive content. Okay, you will get more major buy alerts. You will get a extra live stream throughout the day here and there, guys. Midday, where a lot of stuff is going on. But we will continue to have these live streams free for everyone to see. So with that being said, guys, if you want to be a part of our early seat members, all you have to do is just click join next to the subscribe button, guys, and you will become an early seat member. It comes with a badge, a Nighthead badge. Not only that, it comes with custom emojis and extra content. Okay, so what we're looking at here, though, order flow distribution in the last 5 days, though, if we look at the 4 days before today, not looking so swell. If we take a look here at this day chart, we see some stagnant moving, though, guys. You know what that means. This stock is building some type of pressure, whether that is buying or selling. Okay. And my best guess, though, 51 million shares dropping 68% on the date of 923. Let's check it out. What happened here? 923. So basically what dropped this stock was just some analysts actually dropping their price target. Says as it launches probe relating to insurance claims. So basically they had some insurance claims going on. Which shot this stock down tremendously, 68% on the day. We just got a new OG member. My boy Ernest came through, guys. Shout out to you guys. Like I said before, OG. All the early COGs will get few custom emblems, few custom emojis. Not only that, guys, you will have access to extra content, including extra major buy alerts and more, guys. Shout out to Ace Thunderfall. He is a early seed OG as well. Now, as far as this stock go, it is building some type of buying pressure or selling. We're not aware just yet, but be aware, guys. This thing can take a downfall for another step down. So keep your eyes out on that. Let's take a look here at WTER. I've been seeing a lot of that in the section. Looking here at the high, though, guys, $1.70 on today's trading, which was basically the open. Basically, it's the second minute of the open we did hit today's high, which isn't much movement whatsoever for it to happen in 2 minutes. Basically, this thing did start seeing some selling pressure right away. But guys, a stock like this, that isn't concerning, because this is a long-term investment type of stock. As you can see, looking here at what happened here in today's trading, we were under volume. Water has been seeing under volume of quite a bit throughout this month and most of last month. But looking here at that low turnover rate, that is the type of stock you want to be in as far as an investment goes. If you look here at the analysis and see where did the money go, we do see some selling by the large scale. A lot compared to the inflow on the large scale. Medium shows us some selling pressure, as well as the small. So WTER did see some selling pressure overall throughout the whole day. Take a look here at anytime, D White. Anytime. Naomi, shout out Naomi. Shout out to Naomi. Guys, the early seed OGs is that's something I can't pass out to anyone. I can't give that to free to anyone due to the fact that I don't control that, as YouTube has control over that, because YouTube gets 30% off back, and YouTube isn't letting that fly. So it's if I can give it out to people, I would have gave it out to people, but something I have no control of. But looking here at WTER, though, guys, back to the topic at hand. Large-scale orders in the last 5 days, as you can see here on the 8th as well as the 11th, we do see the outflow actually surpassing the inflow. Now, if we look at the day chart, as you can see here, we do see those 2 red days. And if we look here at these 2 green days, in comparison to this, guys, this is why I tell you the large-scale order does matter a lot, okay? But looking at the volume, I am disappointed here in the volume. But overall, guys, this is a huge acquisition target, and expect this thing to be bought out sooner than later. Let's take a look here at Bit Digital. Looking at Bit Digital though, this is a crypto mining play. Now Bit Digital did see a nice day today, but we look here at the 1 minute chart, guys. A lot of selling did happen towards the end of the day. A lot of buying pressure came out right at the gate due to the fact that when the market opened, Bitcoin was up, and this is the result of that, hitting $12.82 being today's high. We hit that right away. Started to see some very volatile movement, ups and downs, very close into comparison. But looking here though, coming down as low as 1182. Shout out to ICARC88. We want to look at ADXS and SNDL. Thanks for the awesome work. Anytime, man. I'll keep it pushing, guys. I do be very, very tired doing one-on-ones, being customer service in the Discord, doing YouTube videos 4 times a day, and now we're adding the extra live stream to it. What else, guys? Being an analyst in the Discord. Guys, I'll be tired, man. Very, very tired. I work very, very hard. And as you can see here, today's low being 1174, close towards the close. Shout out to good and old Robbie. Shout out for the Prog Army blowing the doors off today. Yes, it is, guys. So if you're still in Prog, let me know. Let me know. We appreciate all the work you put in. Yes, shout out John. Appreciate that, man. But we're going to take a look here at ADXS. ADXS. Now, this is a stock that I would let go. I actually had a one-on-one with someone today, and he had this in his portfolio, and I told him I would sell this thing. Okay, we do see some buying pressure here. If we look here at the analysis, order flow distribution, as you can see here, you see selling pressure, guys, on all 3 levels. Not only that, we do see this large scale order on this day. If you look here on date, in correlation with this, guys, as you can see here, large scale orders does matter a lot, but today's large scale difference wasn't too much off. As you can see here, 0.05, 0.04, not too much of a difference, but we do see all 3 levels showing some selling pressure on it, and we only dropped 3.49%. Looking here at the day chart, guys, overall downfall. Stock isn't showing any signs that it is on a turnaround just yet. Now, if we take a look here at the 1 minute chart, as you can see here, it's a very spotty day. We see some spotty trading. Another thing I like to tell you guys, anytime a stock is trading like this, it is building some type of selling pressure or buying pressure. In this case, it was selling. Okay. As far as this stock go, I would not touch it. I would get rid of this if you are in this play. Shout out to my boy Christopher. He wants to talk about recourse systems. All right, I got you, Chris. Got another super chat from Full Meal Entertainment. Hey, told y'all not to sell Prog on Friday. SNDL. Let's take a look here at SNDL. SNDL did see some buying pressure right out the gate. But looking here in the pre-market, we did see a huge jump from 66 cents, shot up 67, moving along the VWAP, moving straight with the VWAP, and then we saw a breakout right in pre-market, going all the way up to not pre-market, but in trading day, going from 67.08 to 71 cents very quickly. You see some very low volume trading here. One thing I could say about SNDL, the volume did go much lower than what we were used to. We were seeing volume in sundial close to $1 billion back in February, guys, day after day. As far as Sundown go, this is another stock that I wouldn't even consider buying due to the fact that there are better cannabis stocks out there to invest in. As you can see here, hitting 67.20 here close towards the end of the day, guys. I do believe SNDL will see some selling pressure tomorrow. As you can see here, large scale orders today isn't looking too well. As you can see, if we add these up, the inflow doesn't even come into comparison, but we do see selling pressure on all 3 levels today. I will not touch it. Next stock we're going to take a look at. We'll take a look back at Prog. Prog is showing some nice buying pressure in the aftermarket hours as well. As you can see here, we are on that VWAP. If this thing bounces off the VWAP, expect to see this thing touch levels around $2.30, if not higher. $2.30 will be the aftermarket floor if we do bounce off that VWAP, guys. Now, the real question is, what is Prog going to do in tomorrow's trading day? If you want to find that out, make sure you get to my rundown video, guys, because I will be breaking that down to you after we see how it closes in the aftermarket hours. Chris want to talk about REKR, Recourse Systems. Recourse Systems is what I call an investment, guys. Take a look at this day chart. As you can see here, Recourse is bouncing back up. We're heading toward levels of 1431. All right, with that 52-week high being 2538, that isn't in sight just yet. But looking at the volume from today, guys, we were above the 3-month average. But looking at the free float, looking at the shares outstanding compared to the free float, that is in our favor. We do tend to see a low turnover rate here day after day. The range being under 10% is a good sign to see. Now, check out this order flow distribution. As you can see here, the numbers in this order flow is very, very low here in Recourse. We don't see any movement whatsoever on the large scale from the out or inflow, but we do see that medium showing selling pressure, but the small showing buying pressure. Now, the medium in this case has more weight than the small, of course, hence the name medium and small. So the difference between the two really did drag the price down today. If we take a look here at the 1-minute chart for Recourse, we do see that selling pressure towards the end of the day. Not a good sign. Not a good sign at all going into tomorrow's trading. But all in all, guys, this is a very good investment type of stock. As you can see here, the way it was moving in the past before the big drop, we are going to continue to move like that on this run. Okay, guys? So anytime that this stock goes down, see like a week of downtrending, do not panic, guys. We did it here. And as you can see here, the type of trading that we are receiving. Okay, so type of pattern that this stock tends to receive, if history repeats itself, we'll go up, down, down again, up, down, up, down, up, down. That is a healthy day chart, guys. This is what you look for. You don't want a stock that is only seeing green, 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 because that fall is going to be mean, 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 mean. All right, so that being said, man, Recourse Systems, nice investment. I'm glad you brought that up to me, Chris. Good stock to be in. And Full Entertainment. Yeah, if it forms this cup, I see that handle though. I could consider this the cup. That's the handle. And here we go. We might be taking off. What should I buy? Any advice? You ask me, the best stock to be buying right now, in Noro. I would be jumping on Noro. Just if I didn't own any stock right now whatsoever, if I didn't own any type of position, I'd buy Noro. Just for the start of it. Started off, we do see some stagnant trading in the last 3 days. I believe as though that we're building some type of pressure, and I'm banking on the fact that it is buying pressure. That is SF. That's for you, SF. We got a 120. We got 120 thumbs up, guys. Let's pump it up a little bit. Let's get this thing to 140, and we need 20 thumbs up, guys. Let's get 20 more in this building. And another thing I want everyone to know, you get to the Discord, Making Easy Money. It's in the description below, guys. We are no longer at TTM Trading. We have our own Discord now, so if you want to join us over there, it will be free. It will be free up until the end of the trading day tomorrow, so you would not have to pay a fee to get in NEM. But far as the 1K to 100K challenge, guys, after the 12th, we will be charging to get in the chat as well as to see that challenge. We will keep ACE alerts free to all eyes, okay? No one will ever pay a single dime to see ACE alerts. Accurate ACE is what I call it. Yeah, man, I agree on Noro. Noro is looking good right now. Another thing, guys, looking here at the 1 minute chart on Noro, though, we're above the VWAP right now, so that's a good sign. Let's look at DATS chat again. Dang, fat candle came into DATS. 28,000 shares was moved around for a spike in price, 3.40%. Very, very good. We did start seeing some selling after that, guys. I'm feeling good about DATS chat tomorrow. Showing very, very good signs, guys. DATS chat is showing awesome signs. See what CEI doing right now. CEI is currently sitting at that $1.60. We've been hitting $1.60 a lot today. As you can see here, guys, we hit this $1.60 a lot today and been trading around that levels today. So we do see some nice support at $1.60. We did break that support dramatically, but we came back on it, sat on it for a while, bounced off of it a lot here and here. Next stock I want to talk to you guys about, and that is, yeah, don't forget to slap that like button, guys. We're going to talk about BBIG. BBIG did see some nice movement today, guys. Very, very nice, with the high being $5.47. Seeing how we're trading along this VWAP right now and showing some stagnant trading. Another move is ahead of us, and I'm confident that's going to be some buying going on here in BBIG. We'll take a look here at the analysis, order flow distribution, and check that out. As you can see here, if we add up the large scale orders in the last 5 days, it is in favor of the outflow by a lot, guys. It's in favor by a lot. But looking over there at the large inflow, though, we do see some buying pressure on it on today's trade. Okay, we see buying pressure on all 3 levels. Not only that, guys, the type of volume that came in here today was quite under its average. Okay, more than half its average, guys. A little concerning. Very, very concerning here. But looking here over at the turnover rate, 22.76%, with the range being 11%.58. All right. Now, let's take a look here at the day chart for BBIG. BBIG is in an overall downtrend, as you can see here, from hitting that recent high, $12.49, which is actually the 52-week high, guys. It is in an overall downtrend. Now, we did break those support levels that I was telling everyone about, which is $5.97. So we are in deep water, okay? James, no, you will not. If you get over to the Discord before tomorrow's close, James, you will not have to pay for no 1K to 100K challenge. You will not have to pay for anything on Making Easy Money Discord besides one-on-ones with me, which is personal. And that's it. That's it. That's all. So get over there now. Get over there now. You will not have to, I repeat, guys, if you get over to the Discord now, you will not have to pay for anything on the Discord ever besides one-on-ones with me. Why? Because that is my actual personal time I take out of my day to look over your portfolio on a one-on-one basis, tell you where you're heavy at, tell you where you light at, tell you what you need to sell, tell you a price point on any stock that you want to keep, and I will tell you the price point that where you should be averaging down at. Why everyone keep talking about the third play? If I say anything about the third play, guys, it will have a major, bro, it'll be videos on that thing. It'll say, you haven't saw the title 1K to 100K ever. You haven't saw the title 1K to 100K in quite some time, guys. You will see it, that will be the title of a video, okay? Now, shout out to Naomi. She wants to go over this stock. I got you in, Naomi. When do the VIP videos start? The VIP videos, we already got that going. Well, it's a membership, YouTube membership, where you will get extra content, exclusive content that is only for the membership eyes only. Okay, that's extra live streams, which takes place midday. Okay, extra major buy alerts. Also, you get a special emblem next to your name here, and you will get access to custom emojis. Jay Evans, yes, the membership is $24.99. $24.99, guys. Also, in those live streams, it is less people, so everyone ticker gets talked about. Here, when we got 172 people, guys, a lot of people ticker doesn't get spoken about. So that's an advantage as well, extra content. But looking here at VRGY, NASDAQ, which is on the NASDAQ exchange, I'm just a little bit tired, guys. That's it. That's all, man. Yeah, man. As far as Ace goes, guys, I made sure I took care of Ace, so you guys do not have to pay to see his alerts, guys. I'm actually paying Ace out of my pocket, so you guys don't have to pay a dime to see his alerts. All right, so okay, let's look at this over for let's look over this stock for Naomi, guys. As you can see here, a huge leap up. Okay, we leaped up and we saw a nice trading day yesterday. 43 million shares being moved around, with the average only being 4.52. Expect this stock to see a huge drawback. Well, we already saw a decent drawback today, but I feel as though tomorrow is going to receive another drawback as well. Looking at the volume that came in today, it is much lower than the day before. Not only that, guys, look at that 49.03% on the turnover. We do see the range being over 10%. Huge indicators that tomorrow will continue to see another drawback. Now, let's take a look here at the analysis. Looking here at the analysis, guys, order flow distribution. As you can see here, large scale orders in the last 5 days is looking very good. Okay, we did see some large scale orders coming into play today, but we do see selling pressure by the retail investor locking in gains, as you can see, as well as the medium, which can represent some institutions, which is smaller institutions, but mainly the big fish in the pond, which is the wealthy retail investor. We see selling on that. Anytime that a stock sees a huge leap up like this, it's going to fall like a rock. All right, you're going to see this thing come back down. So this was expected, guys. I hope if you are in this play, you did take your gains and get ready for the next episode, man, because there is a lot of stocks out there, guys, and as far as getting attached to a stock, that isn't what you want to do due to the gains that it have brought you. Now, we got 191 people watching. We only got 143 thumbs up, 5 thumbs down. We know where that came from. But, yeah, guys, thumbs down is actually engagement. So, YouTube feel as though that if someone can react to it, that type of engagement, they recommends the video. So, you're not hurting the channel if you thought that was your angle. Sorry. But thank you for the reaction. Okay, if you really want to hurt the channel, don't react at all. Don't even watch the videos, because if you tuned in to watch it, bam, I got you, more reactions. So yeah, guys, you're just helping the channel out in the long run. Is there a chance that CEI gets back to a cent stock? I don't think it's going that far. I do think CEI might have a good chance to get back to the twos, mid twos, but that's going to be some time, guys. It's going to be moving back and forth, back and forth. Stagnant trading going to be happening. So I didn't feel as though that I wanted my money to sit there that long, because we got to make moves, guys. Each and every day, we're looking for the best play. But as far as this stock, yeah, I'm expecting this thing to see some more downtrend coming on. Let's take a look at Ader, guys. Here in Ader, large scale orders in the last 5 days isn't looking good at all. We see some selling pressure here, guys. We see selling pressure on all 3 levels, large, medium, and small. With that volume being under volume today, with the large scale looking the way it is, guys, I think today was just a good day to be in the stock market as a whole. I don't think Ader will see a huge uptrend tomorrow. In fact, I do think Ader will see either stagnant trading or a slightly red day. But looking at the turnover that came in today, man, it is letting me know a lot of people would day traded this. swing traded it and day traded it from the day before. Looking over at that range being 15.10% isn't too shabby. But if we look here at this 1 minute chart though, closing under the VWAP, we do see some red movement going on. We challenged the VWAP right here, went under it. Bad sign, challenged it here, went under it. Ever since we came under the VWAP, it was hard to get over that, guys, and we stayed under it. Looking at the buying pressure that came on this thing right away, though, coming from that 768 all the way to 875, was very, very good movement, guys. As far as Ader, it will be a good thing to be day trading this. Yes, I agree. My boy H do got some legit alerts, man. Best part about it, you guys will never have to pay a membership fee to see his alerts. Even people that comes into the Discord after the 12th, that will continue to be free for everyone to see, guys. So, you know, very, very good thing that we got him over there. Go wild. Go wild. Brag. A gaming group. Oh man, look at this type of trading. I don't even know what made you 5.73 thousand on today's trading. Very, very low. Extreme low. This stock sees very low volume. As you can see here, the average being 51.28. We were close to being 10 times, a tenth of its volume. We were close to that today. So looking at that turnover rate, extremely low. Range rate, extremely low as well. Let's see this order flow distribution really quickly. As you can see here, large scale orders in the last 5 days. We do see some slight buying pressure. Now, that buying pressure that we see here came the first 2 minutes of trading. Alright, and some buying pressure that isn't accounted for in the aftermarket hours as well, or pre-market. But as you can see here, man, very low in volume. Very, very low, guys. Had a minute, it was 1 minute here in this stock that only 200 shares was moved around. Extremely low. I mean, as far as this stock goes, I don't know too much about it as far as the back end, so I'm going to check out the balance sheet. It has a very good balance sheet. Extremely good balance sheet. As far as debt to asset, 24.22%. That is good as well. Take a look here at this day. Presidential Broly, and this thing, guys, may be a good investment as far as investments goes. We do see this stagnant trading though going on here as far as the closes. That's letting us know something, that this stock is building some type of pressure. We might see a breakout, we might see a breakdown. It's hard to tell right now, but with this low volume, it's a very good chance it might be going lower in price. Very good chance. All right. 169 thumbs up. Shout out to you guys. Let's continue to push those thumbs up, guys. Let's hit 200. Let's hit 200 thumbs up. We'll do charging point, guys. We'll do charging point. My boy Benny and Prog. Yeah, man. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. All right, that's what the VWAP stands for. But charging point though, man. Charging point, guys. As you can see, as you all know, charging point is obviously a investment type of stock due to what they deal with. As you know, we're going to see more charging stations eventually than gas stations. So yes, charging stations is the future. Anytime a stock is the future, it is an investment. Now we recently hit that low, 1790. I think that's 1760. We recently hit the 1760, guys, and it's looking as though that was our recent bottom. If that is the case, we can be seeing levels towards 19. We can be seeing these levels towards $21 here pretty soon. We just got another early seed OG, my boy Tom Bot. Yes, Tom, since you became an early seed OG, you will get extra content as far as major buy alerts, as well as extra live streams throughout the day. Not only that, you do got a custom emblem by your face, by your name now, and you do get to use the custom emojis. Now, if anyone know how to make one to help me, if anyone wants to make a custom emoji for us guys, let me know. Just DM me if you're good with those type of things. We will use it here on the channel. So that is something for all my creative people out there that wants to do something like that for us. I will take into consideration if you can come up with a good one, guys. Now looking at charge point, very good investment if you ask me, guys. Now we did come down from that low, from that high, I mean 49.80. But if you look at the overall whole EV sector, including EV companies, guys, it is all down. The only thing going up right now is the lithium mining companies. Yeah, hit me up in the Discord if you want to help create one of the custom emojis that we have here. Because so far we have, I'm dropping it down, that early seat new emoji we put out there, guys. I wish I could make it bigger. I think it is a way I can make it bigger. So make that a little bit bigger, guys. It's an easy seat OGs for the easy seats. Well, it's early seat OGs. I'm sorry about that. PETV. This is one of my boy Ace alerts. And check them out. Accurate Ace don't play no games, guys. Now, PETV is up 27.34%, guys. As you can see here, over its average volume today. Turnover rate being 6.83%, with that range 5.33. Now, we're not going to look at the order flow distribution due to the fact that it isn't going to be, the aftermarket motion isn't going to be accounted for in that, guys. And if you look here at the day, the trading of the day, very low in volume. So that isn't too much to be concerned about as far as order flow distribution. But looking here on this day chart, man, recently this stock has been seeing some sideways trading, as you can see here, trading around the same levels, and we're breaking out this aftermarket. Huge breakout, 28.52%. Back to this 1 minute chart, much above the VWAP. We're seeing way more volume pouring into the stock during this aftermarket hours. Huge volume. As you can see here, 29,000 shares was just moved around in this minute alone. So the aftermarket probably got huge volume coming into play during this aftermarket hours, guys. As you can see here, this very moment here, we saw a 14.98% gain in this very minute alone. Let's check out CEI real quick. CEI is seeing some more downtrend happening on it. That's chat. That chat is still around the same levels. I am feeling good about holding that overnight until tomorrow's trading. Feeling good about that one. I'm feeling very confident about that, guys. Now, guys, before we wrap this live stream up, I'm going to be preparing for our rundown video. Like I was telling you guys, I'm going to be putting some new plays in the rundown, guys. So make sure you're there to see that video. Not only that, guys, like I was saying, if you're not a part of our Discord just yet, you might want to get over there before tomorrow's trading, due to the fact that we will be charging the same fee we were charging at TTM. Prices will not go up. Prices will remain the same. Okay, guys? So don't expect us. Don't think as though that we're going to hike the prices up and change this and that. No, guys. We're going to try to get more tools over there to your disposal. Another thing, guys, we're going to be bringing sports betting to our Discord. So if you're good with that, I'm not the best sports betting type of guy. So if you're good with that, DM me right away, and so we can talk about it. We want someone to run that for us. So if you're looking into sports betting, guys, because it is a lot of money to be made in that sports betting, we'll be bringing that to the channel. I mean, to the Discord as well. So be looking out for that. Not only that, we're going to be talking about, we're going to have an ETF, NFT, I'm sorry about that, NFT section we're going to be bringing to the Discord, guys, here pretty soon. So if you're excited about that, let me know. And another thing, we're going to be having an OTC market section in the Discord here pretty soon as well, guys. So we're going to continue to build up making easy money, and we're going to do as much as possible for us to continue to make money in other plays, including the stock market, OTCs, NFTs, as well as the sports betting, guys. So don't forget, be there, be square, and get over to the Discord. Easy Money OB out.